Hello everyone, just got my Freebird Flex Series shaving kit and the charging dock. I was going to open it up and show you how it comes. Put that to the side for now. This is the charging dock. You get the cord with this type of connection that goes into the charging dock and a standard USB. It's about, well, I don't know, 2 foot long or so, maybe 3 foot. Also has the charging station. That's where you plug it in. And then now for the shaving kit itself. Electric rotary shaver designed for your head. Your inner barber is calling. And you get this nice little welcome to the family. Let me reviews a few things. And just shows you a little bit about the setup, how to clean it. And it tells you what should come with it. On the back it has a few other items, I think extra stuff you can buy, accessories, and then what's cool is it has there for service, so if you need help if something's not right. So that's pretty cool. And then inside it you have the main unit. Maybe I'll just read off of this and tell you what it says is included. So that is the 5-blade rotary shaver right there. Where you plug it in to charge. I plugged it in when I got it and it took maybe 10 minutes and it was fully charged. So, and then on the other side of this, it does have this little, you push this down and pops this little shaver. I think this is the one you're supposed to use before you would use the close cutting one. This is supposed to get it close to get it pretty tight to your head before you try to use the rotary shaver. So yeah, that just clips down. Put that back in there for now. So then you also have the charging cord. This here is a exfoliation brush. Haven't used it yet. And you also have a scalp scrubber, a nose and ear trimmer, and this is a precision clipper, and then you get 3 different lengths of clipper guards. I guess if you wanted to have different lengths. It has this little brush you use to clean it out. Stick that in there, and here is the main thing here. We're going to want to use the 5-blade rotary head. Comes in a nice package. Everything's foam, kind of cut out, custom fit for each piece. Pretty nice, pretty sturdy cardboard setup too. I'll show you real quick. I don't make this too long. But yeah, so you just get the head out. Got the little insert, get the male in, get the female in. Take it. Just wait till it lines up and then it slides in, locks in. Turn it on. Pretty nice, and then just take it back out. You just kind of pull it out. So yeah, that's the unpackaging. I made a couple other videos showing before what my scalp looked like, And then after use, if you want to check those out, I'm going to put those in the Amazon comments also. So thanks. I hope this helped. If you did, please like. And yeah, good luck. Thanks.